We're getting ready for the blast. They're going to blast that big rock. They've got huge blankets wrapped around it. The bulldozer piled dirt around the sides. And we're waiting for the big blast. And he just came to the door and said, "Don't come outside." Oh, he's got it right here in his hand.
What?
He's got it right here in his hand. He's got the little plunger thing. Watch him. He's hooking the wire up. And we're all here watching closely. Oh, there it goes. Did you see it?
What?
Oh, and I didn't have the camera on it. Did you hear it? That's it. And I didn't even have the camera on it. Oh dear.
What?
I had the camera on you guys, and we didn't see the big boom. Maybe the camera heard it. But it shook the blanket. Did you see the blanket move?
Yeah. But
Now they're going up and they're going to see what happened.